was culling and draft, yeah. But this one, when you draft, I don't even drink this.
Which draft are you talking about?
Draft itself, the original one, not this one.
That is not draft.
Not this small one. I don't drink.
Oh, you
but you should have known it. I wasn't going. You're right. I feel love the way you move your body. I feel you in your eyes. I see love the way you move your body. I see
So gents, when we arrived in Swakop, I could not vlog because there was a lot of things to do and all that. By the time we got home, it was even dark and all that. So yeah, this is the only video I could shoot.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. I slept like a baby though. Slept like a baby. Guys, I thought I was gonna do like a house tour, but I can't because this house is already a mess. I can't do a house tour. Boring routine. Then my cookies will be okay. I love how this camera is now. Yeah, baby. I don't know where this people is coming from. Guys, I already did I already brushed my teeth off camera. I don't know what my teeth off camera. How? Not gonna brush them. Okay. Get it. I don't know if I'm going to like take you guys along. We're just gonna if you don't get it, forget about it. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll be back and then I'll continue. The original. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. With this from Dio. This is lotion for the face. Don't see the hole. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. I repaired cream from CeraVe. It's definitely from CeraVe. Yeah. Sunscreen, and I'm gonna apply it now. This is also CeraVe. It has SPF 15. Okay, then I'll start with my neck, the leftover cream. Then I'm going to apply it. Oh, grease or something. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, that. You see? Just love it. Alright, anyways, guys. Alright, then I'm going to go in with my Vaseline. Yeah.
اشتي خلاص افهجي خلاص
خلاص.
Okay, excuse-moi, ça kundi.
Yeah. Then it was like,
You see how beautiful this place is when we enter. Come back.
I was recording.
No, you weren't.
So, I don't even know what the place is like. How do I understand? Yo, guys, I've never been here before. Like, this is my first time here. Literally my first. It's giving. Me? Oh my lord. Oh, you can get it there. Oh my good lord, this is so beautiful. Let's turn the camera. Oh, look at that. I feel like a whole tourist in in Swakop, but mind you, I used to stay here. Ne? Like if you were staying here, oh look at this. Yeah.
Is this not where you got the thing for the gift?
No, the other one was from Megan Mott. Look here, brah. Here there's a so muy picky in Kagome.
Really great.
I think they are done. Just talking. Babe. Let you show in the corridor. Let's come. Your magnet, you can't. How can you shoot me like that with the thing that is 10? Like just turn the camera around, most chummy. You just turn the camera around like this.
I didn't know how to turn it. This is so pity. But is it giving though? Very beautiful. You have no idea. Beyond. I can't wait for us to get to the beach. Let us sit it. So, pop magni guys, we'll see you on the other side. Alright? Oh, I wanted to regret that. How did I miss that?
We can literally become like a TikTok. That thing where you say the wrong thing.
I'm hungry, bruh. When I see sexy boy. What does that? There's bread, maybe butter. Die goede ons kan mos toch later koop. Huh? No, now imagine now buying butter and then we leave it in the car and then it remains. Waarom moet ons vat? This is not nice.
It's
Is
nice.
it? Okay, so it's clear cool drunk for the sun. Still net. What? What? I think they didn't put in water.
Let's take a water.
It's so nice. The Anna snacks of water.
The flavored one.
The Anna brand from Namibia. Cake, the Anna one.
And they're actually on special, eh?
Okay, so we have this one. We have the plain one. I think they're fine, Moss. It's still following me around. I don't know, maybe go to Wallace. It's it. Told that story. Kom ons gaan koop ice droppers. Where can we get like tops or something?
Close.
It's not.
Public holiday.
Vandaag is Saturday. Oh, right. Today is public holiday. Kijk die mensen voor je, Muskat. Kijk die mensen voor je.
Then you can actually put the other one back.
You don't want that?
No, I just took it, but that one is actually cheaper. They have like
I think they're toch enough. Nee?
but I don't know what happened.
Au, wat sê die mense? Die mense. Nee, content.
Como se die dingen ze dat wentelen ze gaan daar was slaap lekker ons kan die van mij op hier keer ooit. Eet alles ons from eet alles ik vraag hier hoe met je niet water gevraagd of 5 franken. Die
Come on, break the window. Oh, must I hold?
It's your turn now. Ik wil biggie komen.
It's a quarter.
No, I was saying you record your... Shut, that's so dry, bro. I'm having chili bites.
Comes idea.
Nala.
Sugar tea. Chami, camera chami.
Going to
Nothing to say.
Later,
Say
later.
something like, what are we doing today?
On spray. Feticus on it.
What are we gonna enjoy about?
I'm saying we
Take on some
have fun and enjoy it.
YouTube kuna kikira nyoto.
Mana ilmu perbene je guess sta ko ga bai ko na no ek draw mom je ke alma coder. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ek suka pik. Hang hoi so plus. Thank you. Kom staan plat kan jy maar. Ben jy kon na? Met die ding lyk dit mooi nie. Hè? Met die ding lyk dit mooi nie. Here, that is in her errors. But anyway. Which one? Yeah, ne? Yeah. I think we can take cute pictures there.
It just makes me feel very comfortable.
Now, how are you gonna feel like when you're gonna go for like a boat cruise or something?
Those ones are fine. I'm still like on for like what is this like?
Can prove it, baby, grown enough to know now what you really want, why and how. Yeah, no.
Okay, yeah, Come.
one, say na na na, say na na.
The next day.
Good morning, besties. This is day 2 in Swako. So we're going to have breakfast. Now we're looking for a place where we're gonna eat, and then we're heading home to get ready for Sound of Summer. Yes. I'm just asking.
I think there is that side. You can look at that.
Maak is er nog bij me? Oh, kijk dat ik niet ga bedenken om wat man ja. Moro no. Kan je ingia Marisa? Hè? Next year. Next year, I'll buy you next year. Yeah. Okay, no. Askis? Lalito wants her gift. She wants her gift back. No matter again. Ay, no usah ko tayo, babe. No usah ko tayo. Okay. Pero so dagan ega.
It's taking so long now.
Stick is sweet, like making love on the dance floor. Baby, never been like this before. I tried the coding, waiting for you to adore.
It's a scam. Obama man is a neighbor down in Denmark. Right? Hi, baby. How are you? Good, how are you?
I'm good. It's a Brooklyn's week was left.
Right?
Then she had to go back to the salon.
Now, where is she? Is she done?
My keys. I'm just waiting for her to
This guy, I'm not that was Obama man want you. Because some things is that change.
Been waiting on him long enough. My hand out to him, lead it to the place where no one can erase that we were there. Lend me in my love.
We out here, we live in direct from the Coca-Cola Lounge. Straight up in SWAKOPMUND, bitch. Where the fuck is you at? Is you broke? Or is you got plans? Or are you pregnant? Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Like that? That's what I'm quite up. We live at Summer. The best music in the day.
Microphone.
Yo. We're live at Son of Summer. Nice music in the background.
2025.
Come on, everybody.
2025.
Cheers to 2025.
Cheers to 2026, bitch. by die lach. Pampas, 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 bim, bim, bim.
Guys, I'm looking for a plant near that I can put like in the house. But I don't know. I just can't find one. This one.